Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, December 28, 2020. Today's video is about Thomas Ewing. Thomas Ewing, December 28, 1789 October 26, 1871, was a country lawyer from Ohio, who was elected to the United States Senate in 1830 as a Whig. He later served as Secretary of the Treasury, and the first Secretary of the Interior. In the latter capacity, he earned the nickname Butcher Ewing because he replaced so many officials with political appointees. This line engraving of Ewing was produced around 1902 by the Department of the Treasury's Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BP, as part of a BEP presentation album of the first 42 secretaries of the Treasury. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.